back again with new another video. I'm Luli. If you are new to this channel, then hello, welcome you all. So yeah, this is my look for my another video. That video is going to live before this video, so if you don't have watched till yet, then make sure you have a look on that as well. So yeah, this is going to be makeup removal video, how to remove makeup with natural. I will not say natural because I am not using 100% natural oil or anything like that, but yeah, makeup removal without any micellar water or any other makeup removal thing. So yeah, this is something that this makeup look is so heavy. As you can see, I have black lips and this crazy eye. So yeah, what I'm doing to remove my makeup every single time, not even if it is heavy look or it is natural look, every single time I do this thing. What I do is I do oil or any kind of oil. You can use bio oil. I do use bio oil as well, but for this video I'm going to use coconut oil. Yeah, and in the bottle it says 100% pure coconut oil, so maybe this is 100%, I don't know, but it is going to have any preservatives or smelling agent in it. So yeah, I'm going to use this oil. Then I will break down the makeup or some products with the oil and remove that product with cotton, and after that I will wash my face with face wash to remove all the oil from my face. So let's begin. And there is no doubt that my face is going to be so crazy just because my lip, I think my whole entire face going to be black. And I think using makeup removal or micellar water is not that safe than using oil. So everyone has their own choices and opinions, so this is what my opinion is. And as you can see, this is using oils like this is not that hard. Makeup removal as you can see, makeup removal with the oil is not that hard. I remove my almost all the lip color. It was not lipstick, it was kajal, and yeah, it's quite easy to remove makeup with oils. Just make sure to break down the product before swiping it. And that's all. have a look on my left eye. And have a look on my right eyes. Can you see? I have done my eyebrows as well, so see that easy it is. I have this mark and I have all filled up, and have a look, it's gone. You can even use texture oil. In Gujarati we say dive, to remove this. If you don't want to use any alcohol product near to your eyes, then this is quite safe. And you don't have to do it with your heavy hands. Just wipe it round or in something like that, and your face is clear. Not clear means your makeup is removed. Now what you have to do is just remove the oil from the face. So for that you have to use your face with lukewarm water if you don't want to face wash, or just face wash it with normal water or any tap water. So I will be right back after face wash. So I have my face washed with face wash and it's raw. So what's the next step is moisturizing your face with your choice of moisturizer. For today I am using Plum moisturizer. It is green tea mattifying moisturizer. I like to use this. So and little bit quantity of this moisturizer is enough for my skin. So that's all. This is my makeup removal routine. Any kind of makeup I do these same 3 steps to remove my makeup, whatever it is. If even it was not for my videos, then also I do the same. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video, and if you don't like to invest your money in micellar water or makeup removal, then you can use these 3 steps for removing your makeup. I am damn sure that any kind of makeup you have, waterproof, any heavy kind of makeup you have, it will remove makeup damn good. I'm damn sure about that. So yeah, that's all. If you like this video, please make thumb button on. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to have notification button on so you get notified every single time when I do such kind of videos. So yeah, stay tuned with me, and that's all. Bye bye, stay safe, see ya. Mwah.